I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, pullback and bounce. Remember, I'm giving away $2,000 worth of Bitcoin, end of the month. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So, Bitcoin has been in this crazy uptrend. Right, Bitcoin did break down out of this rising wedge. So, which 68% chance this should happen. And essentially the measured move puts it somewhere in this area down here, around 53,000. You had a pullback, and right now the bulls are trying to reverse and jump back into the pattern. The most important thing here is Bitcoin dips are for buying until otherwise told. Right, so we're looking, major reversals, oversold bounces. Bitcoin has some potential upside. Any pullbacks for Bitcoin would be buying opportunities. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and I kind of split this up into two patterns. This ascending triangle broke out higher, but then essentially got rejected. This level up here, 57,600. Right, bulls need this level back. You had some volume come in. You're breaking out of this falling wedge, which makes sense. 68% chance it happens. But the question is, can the bulls come up here and flip this as support and see upside continuation, or will you get rejected here and then more downside, which could be some type of double bottom as far as reversal ideas. But dips are for buying with Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started watching the YouTube channel. I think he started with $100, right? He made $800 last night on some trades. A lot of gem picks, and we do gem picks in the group as well, different ones and more of them. I'm posting a lot more Kucoin setups. Outside, they're cutting my yard, so if that's loud, I just had to get this video out to you guys. The Kucoin gem pick is ready to bang. So this is, but the same person, he's 70x'd his money. Soon to be in the 5-digit club. This is a college student. I reached out to him. He's a college student overseas, and again, 70x his money. This person in VRA made about $65,000. Got into VRA, and VRA has been huge. Then he said, I think I'm going to hit my first $1 million because of you. And listen, this is why I do this every single day. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. You've got to be in the right coins. You want to 70 extra money? You have to be in the right coins, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. You can pay with cryptocurrency. You get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or the year. If you pay for the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay month to month, you can also pay with a card. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I always love on Twitter when I post this setup and somebody says, oh, I'm a fraction too late, and they miss like a 5 or 7 or 10% move. This is KDA up 573%. So my question is, were they a fraction too late? Because we bought way down here. Was he a fraction too late, or was he way, way early? In crypto right now, if you're in crypto right now watching this video, we are so early. Again, yard guys in the background mowing my yard. Listen, KDA, I posted this on August the 7th with all this news, and I went over all this news. This thing is almost 6. You got to hit these multiples. Life-changing money comes quick. Yesterday, I was talking about Binance. They announced this $1 billion growth fund. Binance Smart Chain projects have been pumping. Most of the green coins on Binance were part of Binance Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain projects. Kucoin comes out, and this is not exciting for me. The withdrawal limit daily is 1 Bitcoin. So it used to be 5 Bitcoin. This is, again, with no KYC, so this is probably only if you're in the United States. But if you do KYC, you can increase to 200 Bitcoin daily withdrawal. For some people, this won't even matter. Make sure gem pick coming on Kucoin. Make sure there's a VIP link in the description. Sign up for Kucoin. Trade these gem picks with us. Ready to bang. Look at Kucoin. You go over here, and Binance is like a couple double-digit green coins. This thing has got 100% gainers, 76, 72, 47, 35, 35, 32, 29, 27, 23, 22. This is where you want to be. This is where the money is flowing. We talk about every day how you have to identify where the money is flowing. Here it is. This is it. This is ARPA. We started buying this thing and it is up 211%. Banging. Huge. Yesterday I gave you guys Hive gem pick on Kucoin, ready to bang. Guess what? Bang. It did. 29% profits out of Hive in almost immediately, like really within about 4 hours after the post, but then had a pullback and retest and continued higher. So pretty amazing to see Pump City out of Hive. Cirus Foundation on Kucoin has a ton of big news. So they have a contract with a company called Devoice, which is an India-based communications company. And remember that Cirus allows you to monetize your data, right? It's a hardware device. That's one aspect of what they provide. A hardware device that allows you to monetize your data. And so they have this contract with Devoice in India where 1 million households are going to get this device. Right? So you could see up to 5 million users in India testing and using Cirus's new device. And so the thing about Cirus is that they have a virtual platform, right? So as a homeowner, you're going to be able to connect to this web browsing extension. It's going to enable data monetization, right? So this replaces a Wi-Fi router, and it's going to be an add-on to the platform where essentially you're going to generate revenue as a homeowner. So you're essentially monetizing your data. So I think this will be big in India. Big picture is they're looking to offer a lot of other products down the line. And if you think about this, you get a device in 1 million homes in India, right? And then you have a user base, which is going to be quick to use anything else that you offer. So they're looking to, the Cirus wallet is an example. So this Devoice partnership is a critical component of their strategy as far as building a vast user base. You guys probably remember Facebook's outage, and it really exposed the shortcomings of Web 2.0 and the need for decentralization. So again, Web 3.0, decentralized internet, decentralized web is going to be the future. That's where we're headed without question. Remember, HNT, Helium, is one of the big competitors, and it has quite a large market cap when compared to Cirus. So I think that this coin is an undervalued coin with a lot of upside potential. They promised the hardware use case, which is rolling out now in India. So they're fulfilling their promises. They've got working product, use case. And so again, this is leaps and bounds above other cryptos. This is Nervos. I want to talk to you about the fundamental ideas behind this real quick. I think this is at the core of those that watch this channel who are investors. You want to understand fundamentals as well as the charts. Remember, the Nervos Network is an open source public blockchain ecosystem and collection of protocols that create the foundation for a universal internet-like public network. And so they're working towards interoperability and universal application. Right. Nervos just launched the Force Bridge. It's now live on the mainnet. So Ethereum Force Bridge, it's an open source project. It allows for the transfer of whitelisted tokens from the Ethereum chain to the Nervos chain through a series of smart contracts deployed on both sides. So these smart contracts implement wallets secured by a Force Bridge committee composed of the Nervos team and a group of ecosystem partners. So how it works on a technical level is the ETH or whitelisted ERC20 tokens, DAI, USDT, USDC, and there's more to come in the future. They first get locked in a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain side. And so this is a multi-layer blockchain, which is huge and very important. So this allows the minting of corresponding SUDT tokens on the Nervos side. So the process occurs on the first layer. The tokens can also be sent directly to the second layer without any extra steps. So this is big. There's a small fee for this, but again, this is big for Nervos going forward. You can also go over to their GitHub and you can see the Force Bridge is a bridge which connects CKB with other blockchain systems, aka a cross-chain protocol. Already launched, already live on the mainnet. So the UTXO Alliance, right? So this defines the future of scalability, programmability, and interoperability. So Nervos is partnered with Cardano for this UTXO alliance. The great part about this alliance is it allows force bridge between Nervos and Cardano, which will be launched this year. So you'll just think about how big that is. Cardano, huge, prominent blockchain. You'll be able to essentially swap back and forth between Nervos blockchain and Cardano, interconnected. And again, this is a ton of fundamental strength that we're talking about for CKB, Nervos. Today's Kucoin Gem Pick, UBX. Last time we talked about this and posted this, and we talked about this is this huge double bottom. This thing pumped 65%. I think we can get 30 to 40% gains quickly out of UBX. Kucoin Gem Pick ready to bang. Last time, 47% gains at this point for UBX. Now, this is the setup. UBX on Kucoin, today's Gem Pick. You've got this huge bull pennant forming. All right, essentially, this is a double bottom with a higher low. And I'm looking for 30 or 40% gains quickly out of UBX on Kucoin, ready to bang. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.